Well, got her all sprayed. Got a couple spots I'm not happy with, and that's just on the hood and the trunk. For some reason they just did not want to lay down right. But the whole side of the car itself looks really good. Extremely happy with it. The bumper looks really good. I'm happy with it. Even the little side piece that I did the repair work to, it looks really good. So, but there is a couple spots here that got a little bit of overspray, right in here and up there at the top. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right there. We'll get her fixed.